are pleased to show you the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.